How to find the best weight loss program for you. Are you looking to lose weight? If you are, you may be interested in joining a weight loss program. When it comes to joining a weight loss program, you will find that you have several different options. If this is your first time joining a weight loss program, you may be unsure as to what you should look for in a weight loss program. If that is the case, you will want to continue on. One of the best ways to go about finding the perfect weight loss program for yourself is to ask yourself several important questions. One of the first questions that you should ask yourself is how much time you have to devote to weight loss meetings. If you were to join a local weight loss program, you would likely be required to attend the weekly meeting. Whether you are busy with your family or busy at work, you may not have the time to do so. In that case, you should look into joining an online weight loss program, as they are often designed for those with busy schedules. Another question that you will want to ask yourself when looking to find the perfect weight loss program is your willpower. Should you join an online weight loss program, you will be given more freedom, as you do not have to physically report to meetings and answer to group leaders. While this freedom is nice, it has allowed many hopeful individuals to go off track. If you do not think that you can stick with your online weight loss program goals and instructions, it may be better to join a local weight loss program instead. Another one of the many questions that you will want to ask yourself when looking for a weight loss program to join, is how much money you have to spend. While it is possible to find free weight loss programs locally or online, it is actually quite rare. In your search for weight loss programs, you will find that they have a wide range of membership fees. Commonly, you will find that online weight loss programs are cheaper than locally operated weight loss programs. If you are on a budget, the cost of each weight loss program that you come across should play a large role in your decision. You should also ask yourself if you are embarrassed with your current weight or your physical appearance. Although you should have nothing to be ashamed of, you may still feel that way. If that is the case, you may be afraid of attending local weight loss meetings. Of course, you need to remember that everyone in your meetings is likely to feel the same way, but you don't have to put yourself in an awkward situation. If you are concerned with your appearance or what others may think of you, you may want to look into joining an online weight loss program instead. The above-mentioned questions are just a few of the many that you should ask yourself if you are interested in joining a weight loss program. While there are several benefits to joining a locally operated weight loss program and an online weight loss program, you need to make the decision that is best for you and your own needs.